9. Olive oil. Olive oil provides impressive benefits for your heart. It's high in oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat that has been found to decrease heart disease risk factors in many studies. In addition, extra virgin olive oil is high in antioxidants known as phenols. These compounds further protect heart health by decreasing inflammation and improving artery function. As a pure fat source, olive oil contains no carbs. It's an ideal base for salad dressings and healthy mayonnaise. Because it isn't as stable as saturated fats at high temperatures, it's best to use olive oil for low-heat cooking or add it to foods after they have been cooked. Summary: extra virgin olive oil is high in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It's ideal for salad dressings, mayonnaise and adding to cooked foods. 10. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are healthy, high-fat and low-carb foods. Frequent nut consumption has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, certain cancers, depression and other chronic diseases. Furthermore, nuts and seeds are high in fiber, which can help you feel full and absorb fewer calories overall. Although all nuts and seeds are low in net carbs, the amount varies quite a bit among the different types. Here are the carb counts for 1 ounce 28 grams of some popular nuts and seeds. Almonds, 3 grams net carbs, 6 grams total carbs. Brazil nuts, 1 gram net carbs, 3 grams total carbs. Cashews, 8 grams net carbs, 9 grams total carbs. Macadamia nuts, 2 grams net carbs, 4 grams total carbs. Pecans, 1 gram net carbs, 4 grams total carbs. Pistachios, 5 grams net carbs, 8 grams total carbs. Walnuts, 2 grams net carbs, 4 grams total carbs. Chia seeds, 1 gram net carbs, 12 grams total carbs. Flax seeds, 0 grams net carbs, 8 grams total carbs. Pumpkin seeds, 4 grams net carbs, 5 grams total carbs. Sesame seeds, 3 grams net carbs, 7 grams total carbs. Summary: nuts and seeds are heart healthy, high in fiber and may lead to healthier aging. They provide 0 to 8 grams of net carbs per ounce. 11. Berries. Most fruits are too high in carbs to include on a ketogenic diet, but berries are an exception. Berries are low in carbs and high in fiber. In fact, raspberries and blackberries contain as much fiber as digestible carbs. These tiny fruits are loaded with antioxidants that have been credited with reducing inflammation and protecting against disease. Here are the carb counts for 3.5 ounces 100 grams of some berries. Blackberries, 5 grams net carbs, 10 grams total carbs. Blueberries, 12 grams net carbs, 14 grams total carbs. Raspberries, 6 grams net carbs, 12 grams total carbs. Strawberries, 6 grams net carbs, 8 grams total carbs. Summary: berries are rich in nutrients that may reduce the risk of disease. They provide 5 to 12 grams of net carbs per 3.5 ounce serving. 12. Butter and cream. Butter and cream are good fats to include on a ketogenic diet. Each contains only trace amounts of carbs per serving. For many years, butter and cream were believed to cause or contribute to heart disease due to their high saturated fat contents. However, several large studies have shown that, for most people, saturated fat isn't linked to heart disease. In fact, some studies suggest that a moderate consumption of high-fat dairy may possibly reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. Like other fatty dairy products, butter and cream are rich in conjugated linoleic acid, the fatty acid that may promote fat loss. Summary: butter and cream are nearly carb-free and appear to have neutral or beneficial effects on heart health, when consumed in moderation. Thanks for watching.